Alright guys, I can't really see, so this is my house, and I'm going to start with the first hazard, which is over here. We just installed sprinklers, so the grounds are uneven, and as you can see, there's not that much space sometimes when it comes out, when you have to come out of the car, because the PT Cruiser does not move. So, as we walk in, there is a step, very small step, and another small step. There's only two steps. And then here is the entrance to the family room. There's little clutters here and there because sometimes we don't have a chance to clean the house during the weekdays. This is where Grandpa and Jared and others are there. And you can see it's clutter on the family room table. And sometimes it could be a hazard due to the fact that paper could fall. And paper can make things slippery. I know because I fell. So moving forward, here is the archway into the room. And this is also the hazard I was talking about, that sometimes when you have a rolling walker, it's big and sometimes you could bump into this chair. Because this chair, I hit my hip a couple of times with that chair. Then we go in, there's the garbage can, and here's the pantry, which could be cluttered and hard for someone with a rolling walker to go into to get some snacks and stuff like that, so we'll have to clean that up. And then here's the kitchen. Again, the cooler, it's clutter as well, so we have to clean that. So here's the fridge. The sink is always constantly cluttered, and sometimes there's water spilled, and at the same time at the cooler area, especially when we put new water in, so that could also be a hazard. Since my gentleman is not in a wheelchair, the microwave is still accessible to him. And if anything, there's ovens and a little grill that he could use over here. And yes, so going forward, this is our dining. This is where we actually eat at, right here. We took out the domino table, but usually the domino table is here. And also we took out the stools because the only place to get our phone at is over here. This is the only house phone. No one calls it, but you know, it only rings when my grandma's here. So this area is very small, so it's going to be hard for someone with a rolling walker or wheelchair to move in, and as well as that area, especially since the countertop he could run into it. Luckily, he's not sharp, but still, it hurts. The treadmill will put up, but when it's down, it takes the whole length of this area right here. Again, a little bit of clutter, which could be a hazard because this is the way that we go out if there's like a fire. So with that there, we got to remove that. Cords are not usually an issue because that's as far as it goes, and I don't see any need for someone to actually walk through there and get something. Again, clutter, and we do have an extra fridge, but this fridge is pretty much dead, and we only use it for like drinks and stuff like that. And we also have like another cooler, but as you can see, it's a very narrow entryway. Alright, and then this is going to be the laundry. I'm sorry, it's kind of like dirty here. Alright, and then top washing machine, on the side laundry machine. Okay, that scared me because I was not sure if that was a dead roach. It's not. And usually the hampers are, like, there's more hampers during the weekend because everyone is doing their washing of the day. So sometimes it will be like this. But, like, imagine 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And then, again, this is, like, another pantry area where we have cleaning supplies, soap, and etc. That is not really accessible for someone who is on a rolling walker, except for my father, so we'll fix that. Obviously the garage is nowhere accessible. Not only that, like the lighting doesn't work and the doorknob is hard and blue. But there's nothing he should get in the garage because not even a car is in the garage. That's how messed up it is. And here's the bathroom. All right. It gets a little cluttered, but not so much, as you can see. Sometimes we leave the thing here. Here's the closet for towels and etc. Little blankets. And then the bathroom. Excuse me, sorry. OCD just kicked in. And then the toilet. And then the shower curtain. There's no arm thing here, and then the shower head is also stationary, but it does have a filter, but that's as far as it goes. I could easily put a Versa thing there because we did have it before, but I have no idea where my mom put it. So that's why I put that in my list, is because I can't find it in the garage. So technically, if I can't find it, it's gone. So yeah, this is the downstairs bedroom. Excuse the mess. It's just that when we do laundry and during the weekdays, this happens. It drives me insane too. I'm so sorry. And then we also have other storage stuff here, which we shouldn't have. As you can see, it's everywhere. There's even the most oldest TV in the planet in this room. Sometimes you can't even get to your drawer. And then stuff on the floor, and there's rugs underneath the bed actually. And other stuff underneath the bed, because usually my grandparents complain about it being cold, so we usually have the rug there. But since he has a rolling walker, there's the Versa frame thing. Okay. And that's the hazard for that room, and also the closet, because of the stuff here. So I'm gonna go because my mom is gonna be yelling at me. Bye!